My name is Dan Maher from L&M Smash Repairs in Western Sydney. It's a professional honour to be nominated for the Paint and Panel Bodyshop Awards when selected, and one we continue to strive for every year. L&M Smash has been lucky enough to win Best Medium Shop in New South Wales twice, once in 2018 and again in 2021. We look forward to be eligible again in a few years and already have our eyes on the prize for 2024. In 2020, we were nominated and won the first ever award for technical training and development. Last year, we were also nominated and won the award for digital excellence. This year, we're lucky enough to have multiple nominations in multiple categories. These awards are a nod from the industry acknowledging our ongoing efforts in improving our repair quality, customer service, technical abilities, and overall professionalism. These are the pillars our business is built on, and gives our work providers, our staff, and our clients the confidence that L&M Smash Repairs is the right business that can exceed all of their collision repair expectations.